Minigun's too busted. Minigun's too good. Minigun's too good. It has no durability though. MP5, large backpack, LR with extra flow.
Why is that funny to me? The funny thing is I did that before.
How much is it for a... Oh, I have enough. Need this. I have a rocket. I'm just gonna use this rocket, I think. You know what? I'm gonna go put up his boot instead of my launcher. Never mind, I killed him. That's kind of cheap. No longer yours. Under new ownership. Plus no earnings. Ooh, and full metal. With 120 sewing kits on his body. And I didn't notice the 2 pure Ortiz in his backpack. I just doubled him. He thinks I'm cheating. Let me finish this raid. Turn first to PC, feeling good. W raid. He had explosives, 2 pure Ortiz inside of his thing. He was coming back for a grub. This goofy goober. Oh my gosh, bro. I'm absolutely just rolling this kid. Not bad. Not bad at all. Hey, W raid. It's alright. Put all that in there. Wait, more med sticks for me. Oh, he had a L9, fully maxed out to take. He has a good amount of bullets. He had a SAR, 2 Tommies. Yeah. Oh, HV rocket inside of his rocket launcher. And then a tiny bit of comps. He picked the terrible guy to raid. This guy was not getting profit.